Okay, so students, this is our last topic of this chapter, exponents. And now we will discuss how to write the standard form of very small numbers. Small like numbers like, suppose you have number is there which carries lot of decimals 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and so on. Okay, so it is very inconvenient to write the very small numbers in the decimal form. So instead what we will use to write these type of numbers in the form of the exponent of 10. Suppose this is a number 0.00382. Now I want to write this number in the form of this standard form. So what I will do, you will start after the decimal and start counting the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, till here. Before decimal only one digit is required. So what you will do, you will count till the one digit. Then you will put a decimal here and you will bring this decimal here. So now it becomes 3.82 into. You have to write the negative power of 10 and how many zeros? You just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It becomes 10 to the power minus 5. Okay. Or if you do not understood, one more method is there. What you can do, you can remove the number of zeros. Then what you will do, you will count, you have 7 zeros will be here. Okay, 7 zeros will come here. Then what you will do, you will put the 2 zeros from last so that only one digit should be there before decimal. So you will put a decimal here and you will cut 2 zeros. Now how many zeros are left? 5 zeros are left. So it becomes 3.82 upon 1000005. Then it becomes 10 to the power 5, or you can write 3.82 into 10 to the power minus 5 like this. Okay. One more example in case if you do not understood. Suppose a very small number is there, there are 7 zeros and 7. Okay, now we have to write this in terms of the standard form. So how we will write? What you will do, again you will start counting like this, just after decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you will bring this decimal here. So what it becomes? It becomes 7.0 into 10 to the power minus 8. Or you can bring these zeros here. So how many zeros were there? 4 and 4, 8 zeros were there. And since only one digit is there, so you can simply write it as 7 into 10 to the power minus 8. Okay, so this is how you can write the numbers in the standard form. Okay, so let's see one more example. It is given that in question number 3, fourth part, size of a plant cell is like 0.00001275 meter. Now we have to write it in terms of standard form. So what we will do? This we will start counting from here till here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will put the decimal here. So it becomes 1.275. Okay, then you will put a multiplication sign, then 10, and the power of 10 will be how much? 1, 2, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we will write the numbers. Suppose we have to write the numbers in usual form. Usual form means without the power of 10. So suppose a number is there 4.02 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. So how we will do? One method is there. You can write this 402. Then 5 is there, so you can shift this decimal by shifting it to 5 places here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I will write 1, 2, 3, 4. So now 5 places are there, so this decimal will shift here. So you will get this 0.000402. Or one more method is there. What you can do, you can write it like this, 10 to the power 5. Then we will expand this 10 to the power 5 in 5 zeros. Then you will put the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 places before 4, you will put 4 more zeros and you will get this. So this will be your answer, like you have done in the junior classes. Okay, so one more question is there. Now this is in the standard form and we have to write this is in the usual form. Usual form means without the powers of 10. So how you will write it? One more, you can write how many power is there? 11. So we will shift this decimal to the left hand side to the 11 places. How? This is 5. So after writing 5, how many zeros are required? 10 more zeros are required. So we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 zeros. After this we will put a decimal. So finally this will be your answer. 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 5, 8. Like this. Okay, so remember this. You have to write this 11 and all the zeros including the digit before a decimal, that is 5 also. Or you can solve it like this. You can write 5.8 upon 10 to the power 11. Then you will write 11 as 11 zeros. Then you will shift this decimal to 11 places. So including this 5 you need 10 more zeros. So you will write 10 more zeros like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0 point and 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 8. Okay, so this is how you can write the numbers in the usual form. So this